Okay guys, welcome to the personal property tour for 42 Green Gates in Leven. This is an amazing 2-bedroom semi-detached property, finished at a high standard, ready to move in. I'll talk to you about location and where it is towards the end, and I'll show you around the property right now. Okay, so here we are. Here's the property itself. The boundary goes all the way along there and all the way right to the very back of there. That's the back garden over here. You've got a gate for access as well to the rear garden, and then you've got your upstairs, as you can see, and the upstairs bedroom over there, and there's the front in here. So easy access. There's a few off-street parking areas down there as well, quite a few, so you'll be able to get off-street parking more than likely down there, and a nice wee secluded garden to the front, and then into your front door itself. Now as soon as I come in, immediately I could see nice and welcoming. Finished a really nice standard. Solid wood doors with chrome fittings all the way throughout here. We're going to pop upstairs and look at the 2 double bedrooms first. One of the things I like about this the most, about the double bedrooms, is this is quite deceptive, because you've got this cupboard here, which you think, yeah, okay, it's a reasonable sized cupboard, but it actually goes inside when you open it up. It goes full length of the wall all the way along, so it's basically a built-in wardrobe. Now as we pop round and look, you can see it's a double bedroom. Plenty of space to the front there. Nice wee view out the front as well. And then across into the next double bedroom again, you've got that, it goes all the way along for cupboard space for storage. And you can see there's a single bed in there now, but easily a double bedroom in here. There's that nice wee view from that window, as I said, when I pointed out there. Just over there, easy access into the glen. As we look round here, overall, can I see these solid wood doors? Love them. And then we're going to pop off into the living room. So, nice big living room here. Plenty of space for seating, as you'll see. Overall, as we go round. And then as I come back, I can show you from this angle as well, in terms of the space. Nice layout, love it. As I said, they were recently installed, these windows, so you can see there, like 2023, it's got written on it. Now across into the bathroom. I like this P-shaped bath, and it's got the shower overhead with the sparkle wet wall round about it. Then you've got your sink in there, and you've got your WC around the corner. One thing this property's got is plenty of storage. Now you saw that upstairs, now across to here you've got storage in here as well, and you've also got a massive walk-in cupboard for storage in there. And then into your dining kitchen itself. So real good sized dining kitchen here. Plenty of space, as you'll see. Nice modern kitchen. Cupboard under the stairs for storage again. And you can see these actual sparkle worktops in here as well. I love it. Absolutely love it. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And the great bonus as well, you've got a wee utility area to the side here. Now fridge freezer in here just now actually, but easily could possibly move it into there and then have that, and you can convert that to a laundry. But to be honest, you can easily get a clothes horse. They do this now, and they've got a radiator in there, so easy access to clothes horse in here for drying all your clothes. So you, on damper days like today, you don't need to put them outside, you can just do them all in here. I'd be tempted, like my house, to get a pulley up on the ceiling there. Because I tell you what, it'll save you a fortune. Saving a fortune, talking about this, condenser boiler in there as well. A couple of years this has been in here. You can see the condensating pipe, the white pipe there, as I said. That'll save you quite a bit on your energy bills as well. Now, out the back. Let me just have a look at this back garden. There's that side gate I talked about. As we go around, you've got 2 sheds. See that wee seating area in the rear there? I'll talk about that in a minute. It's a prime position for summertime. But you can see there's quite a bit of privacy here. See, there's no windows in that end part of that house there. There's no windows there. So this is prime position. I've been told in the summer, the sun is basically on this garden in the morning, and then it rises above the apex there, and that gets the sun on it all the time as a result. But this is the rear of the garden. Let's just walk past here and pan it round. You can see you've got a good amount of privacy here. Nice high fences. Over there it's double, so it's nice and private. And then plenty of space overall. It's the ideal starter property, or the ideal downsized property, I would say. Let me just recap. 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You can see it's finished on high standard. It is ready to move in. It is easy access into the glen if you've got a dog for walking. That wee laundry room, utility room, is a great area for actually preparing the dog when they come in the door. Just give them wipe down, back into the house. Ideal area, boot room as well. Okay, so then also easy access into the high street through King George the Park, Fifth Park, and then you're over into Wagon Road. You can walk all the way down to the high street. You can get easy access in there as well onto the train station. It's going to be here in spring 2024. And then also the swimming pool, you've got the leisure facilities in there, you've got the high street, you've got the shopping facilities, and then you've also got the Fife Coastal Path on the beach, and golf courses, not to mention, as well as many other things. Out onto the A915 as well, commuting on to Kirkcaldy or anywhere else as a result. So, best of everything here, best lifestyle, great price point as well. If you need more information, you can look at the photographs if you click on the link above or below here, and you can check out the description as well. If you need to contact us, you can contact us on 01333 421 774, or you can message us direct on this post. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.